This is going to be a video product review of the TeaRoo alarm clock. It has a stereoscopic dial, easy set. It has a night light function. You press the button, the night light will come on. It's not so bright that it will bother your eyes. It is battery operated and it has a loud alarm. We are going to hear that in a minute. It is an analog and it is sold by TeaRoo. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you want to purchase that, click on the link. So let's do the unboxing and set up the clock. This clock is absolutely beautiful. Just look at this. We have the two bells on the top. On the back, we have the area where you can put in a AA battery. We have the knob to adjust the clock. We have the knob to adjust the time for the alarm. We have the button for the light, and we have the on-off switch for the alarm. So it's very easy to set this clock. All you have to do is turn the knob on the back for the alarm over there. Very easy to set. Like most alarm clocks, this will go off every 12 hours. I don't believe this is going to be once a day. So once the alarm goes off in the morning, all you do is take the switch, turn it down, and you will be fine. So let me set the clock now and we'll see how it works and then we'll hear the alarm. Now my feeling is a clock like this is perfect for people that have hearing problems or that sleep through their alarm in the morning. You are definitely going to hear an alarm clock with two bells. Also, this thing is awesome looking. This would be a wonderful gift for a child for their first clock. They can learn how to tell time because it has the analog hands. A lot of people today don't know how to tell time except with a digital clock. So this would be wonderful for somebody who's younger. Let me go over here now and set the alarm. That was the wrong button. We'll set the alarm. You're going to hit a little click. Okay, and now I'm going to flip the switch to turn the alarm on. Let's see how loud it is. You know what this sounds like? Let me play this again. This sounds like the old school bells that people used to hear in the hallway. It also sounds like a fire alarm. So you are definitely going to wake up when this goes off. Let me flip it one more time. It also sounds like the old style telephone bells that you hear in the old movies. The price of this clock, unbelievable. It is so inexpensive. Buy this from TeaRoo. This is their stereoscopic dial, easy set with a night light function, battery operated, loud alarm clock, and it would make a wonderful gift. And not only that, it looks absolutely incredible. It's got this wonderful flat black with the white numbers and dial. And you can also purchase the clock with a white outside case and black numbers and dial. TeaRoo alarm clock.